What's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. My name is Fareed, and in today's video, I want to give you guys an introductory look at the Cardano blockchain. If you've never heard of Cardano before, it's a proof-of-stake blockchain platform, and it's also the first to be founded on peer-reviewed research and developed through evidence-based methods. First, I want to highlight the founding members of Cardano, followed by a brief introduction into IOG, which is the company building the blockchain. After that, I want to highlight some background information as well as some key features that the Cardano blockchain aims to provide. The project to create Cardano was initiated by a group of cryptocurrency enthusiasts, investors, and entrepreneurs concentrated in Asia at the end of 2014. Charles Hoskinson and Jeremy Wood founded Input Output, initially known as IOHK, in order to design and implement Cardano. In addition, the Cardano Foundation was set up to oversee and supervise the development of Cardano and to act as an advocate for its users. If you're not aware, the Cardano Foundation is also based in Switzerland. A third party, Emergo, was created to pursue commercial activities on behalf of the ecosystem and the community. These three separate entities, IOG, the Cardano Foundation, and Emergo, have separate ownerships as well as responsibilities. IOHK, which was previously known as Input Output, has also evolved into Input Output Global, also known as IOG, with Charles Hoskinson as the Chief Executive Officer. As of now, IOG is currently incorporated in the state of Wyoming in the United States. The Cardano blockchain and ADA, its founding native cryptocurrency, was launched in 2017, and since then it's been able to establish itself as one of the leading blockchains in the space. When it comes to the team behind Cardano, IOG has assembled a multi-talented global team of more than 600 members. This includes computer scientists, academic researchers, software engineers, product specialists, and technical architects. IOG is an ever-expanding constellation for the development of decentralized applications, identity solutions, and different wallets for the blockchain. In regards to Cardano itself, it is a third-generation open-source proof-of-stake blockchain platform. The blockchain's name is derived from Girolamo Cardano, who was a mid-16th century Italian physician and mathematician. Third-generation blockchain platforms are designed to resolve the issues that the first two generations before it, such as the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains, suffer from. These include scalability and interoperability, while also fulfilling the demand of decentralization. The Cardano platform combines new technologies based on peer-reviewed research to provide unmatched security and sustainability to decentralized applications, systems, and communities worldwide. The Cardano blockchain is all about transparency, fairness, and inclusivity. The blockchain's proof-of-stake protocol, or Ouroboros, offers a scalable and energy-efficient solution to accommodate millions of users. As I mentioned before, Cardano's development is led by a deliberate approach to construct a robust and reliable enterprise-grade infrastructure. With that said, decentralization is one of the main drivers for Cardano, built around three different pillars. The first of the three pillars is block production and consensus, while the second is networking, and the third is governance. These three elements combined form a fully decentralized environment where power shifts from monopolistic entities to the individual users. Decentralization removes the concentration of power by enabling peers to make choices and decisions, while also returning ownership of personal information to where it belongs, back with the user. In regards to when the Cardano blockchain actually launched, on March 31st of 2021, Cardano's block production became fully decentralized. On that day, the stake pool operator community, or SPOs, began producing 100% of brand new blocks on the blockchain. This was one of the first key milestones on the way to Cardano's ultimate destination, which is to create a platform wholly controlled through a global community of SPOs, developers, and Cardano ADA holders. That's going to wrap it up for today's introduction into the Cardano blockchain, in which we've covered the founding members as well as IOG, which is the company building Cardano. We've also talked about the background and some of the key features of the blockchain. If you found some of the information covered in today's video to be helpful, then please make sure to tap that like button. If it's your first time visiting the channel, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions or comments, then make sure to leave those down below. I will see you guys in the next video.